How to create Lyft account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Then tap on the search bar and then search for Lyft. Here you simply want to click on the install button and install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open button. Now here you want to tap on the Get Start option. Here the first step to creating your account is to type in your number. You simply want to click on the country flag option to choose your country. Once you have selected your country, enter your phone number. Now a code will be sent to the number that you have entered. Go ahead and enter that OTP code. And with these simple steps, your new account has been created. You can tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and from here you can explore different options. You have the option of notifications, invite friends, ride history, payment, reward, gift cards, donate, help, and settings. On the settings, you can modify a lot of details such as your phone number. You can also add a home location, a work location, manage all shortcuts, and also explore these safety tools. You can also log out of your account from here. If you click on the option of payment, you will be able to add your payment methods from here. Simply tap on the add payment method and then enter all the details. In this way, you can start using your newly created Lyft account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.